single day I'm gonna make something great.
Try not to break this perch. So as you guys can see, to get them back on, I had to put this side on first and then stretch it to reach over to the other side. So now I'm just going to set the bars up where they need to be and hook everything back up and then test it. So when you put these adapters onto a DR650, every inch you come up it moves the bars back. So I've actually got mine tilted quite a bit further forward to try and bring them into the similar sort of alignment as the standard bars were. So the standard bars were down, yep, so it's going to be higher. These bars are going to be higher, but similar sort of plane. I'm definitely not an expert on the ergonomics of how to set up a bike, but I believe what I've been told, as long as the levers are right where your fingers naturally fall, so your fingers should fall onto your levers, that should be about the right spot. They can't go any further in and they can't go any further out, so just the height by rotating that perch around is what I was setting up there if I was sitting on it. And then I've got the brake one in a similar spot on the other side. Not everyone's hands are exactly the same, and not everyone's arms are the same shape, so if perches aren't in the exact same spot, as long as they feel right, it should be pretty close. I think that's going to be okay. It doesn't feel too bad. There's a bit of plastic in these are obviously second-hand handlebars I've got from the wreckers. There's a bit of plastic in that side, I'm guessing from someone else's bark buster, but I'll work on getting that out, and then once the new brackets come to suit these fatter bars, I will put the bark busters back on. Righto guys, thanks. Righto folks, that's all I've got. New bars are on the DR. I lifted this this brake lever up just a smidgen more, just roll him up just a little tiny bit more. I've got that plastic thing out of the end. It was the end of someone else's bark busters. Whoever owned these handlebars before me must have had bark busters on there. So we've put these extensions on and then rolled the bars forward, which has actually opened up the controls a little bit. So the old ones were sort of down a little bit lower and twisted back, so they've actually opened. It allowed me to open my wrists up a little bit, get my elbows out, which is a little bit more comfortable riding position, hopefully, and lifted my arms up so they're not sitting down in an uncomfortable spot. So that's all I've got. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this channel with all your friends.